Namaste. Today we are going to solve 7th Maths topic Angles and Pairs of Angles practice set 17. Those who are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel so that you will get all the notifications. Write the measures of supplements of the given angles. 15 degree. Let the measure of the supplementary angle of 15 degree be x. Supplementary means what? If the sum of measures of two angles is 180 degree, they are known as a supplementary angle. One angle we know, that is 15 degree. Another we don't know, that we have taken x degree. Then 15 plus x is equal to 180. Now here we want the value of x. Now what we will do? Subtracting 15 from both the sides. So here we will subtract 15 from both the sides. Cancel this. We will get x is equal to, solve this, 165. The supplementary angle of 15 degrees 165 degree. If you add this 15 plus 165, the sum is 180 degree. Next, a degree. Let the measure of the supplementary angle of a degree be y degree. One is given a degree, another we don't know, that we have taken y degree. Now next is, according to the definition, the sum of the measures of two angles is 180 degree. They are known as a supplementary angles. That is a plus y is equal to 180. Now here we want the value of y. So subtracting a from both the sides. Now here a will cancel. The value of y is equal to 180 minus a. Therefore, the supplementary angle of a degree is 180 minus a degree. This is the final answer. Now here, 0 degree. Let the measure of the supplementary angle of 0 degree be x degree. One is 0 degree, another we don't know. So here we have taken x degree. Instead of x degree, you can take y degree also. Then according to the definition, if the sum of the measures of two angles is 180 degree, they are known as a supplementary angle. So 0 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Right? Now here already 0 is there. So here we can say that x is equal to, the value of x is 180 degree. Therefore, the supplementary angle of 0 degree is 180 degree. Next is 108 degree. Let the measure of the supplementary angle of 108 degree be x degree. Now according to the definition, the sum of the two angles is 180, then they are said to be a supplementary angle. So 108 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Now here we want the value of x. So subtracting 108 from both the side, or in another way, simply transpose this to the another side. So this is 108. So when it will be get transposed to the other side, it will become x is equal to 180 minus 108. Or we can subtract 108 from both the sides. So this will get cancelled. X is equal to, solve this, you will get 72. The supplementary angle of 108 degree is 72 degree. If you add this 108 plus 72, we will get 180 degree. So this is the answer. The measures of some angles are given below. Use them to make the pairs of complementary and supplementary angles. The pairs of complementary angles. Now, complementary angles means if the sum of measures of two angles is 90 degree, they are said to be a complementary angle, right? And supplementary means what? If the sum of the measures of two angles is 180 degree, they are said to be supplementary angles. Now we will find the pairs of complementary angle and supplementary angle. First pair is measure of angle B plus measure of angle N. That is 60 degree plus 30 degree is equal to 90 degree. Next, measure of angle Y plus measure of angle E. That is 90 degree plus 0 degree is equal to 90 degree. Measure of angle B plus measure of angle G. That is 60 degree plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then measure of angle N plus measure of angle J. That is 30 degree plus 150 degree is 180 degree. So these are the pairs of supplementary angles. In triangle XYZ, measure of angle Y is equal to 90 degree. What kind of a pair do angle X and angle Z make? The sum of measures of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That is, measure of angle Y plus measure of angle X plus measure of angle Z is equal to 180 degree. It is given that measure of angle Y is 90 degree. So put the value of Y here. Measure of angle Y is 90 degree. This we don't know. This also we don't know. So we will write as it is. 90 degree plus measure of angle X plus measure of angle Z is equal to 180 degree. Now transpose this 90 to this side. So this is positive. So when it will get transposed, it will become minus 90. Now measure of angle X plus measure of angle Z is equal to 180 minus 90 degree. That is 90 degree. Measure of angle X plus measure of angle Z is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, angle X and angle Z are complementary angles because their sum is 90 degree. Therefore, angle X and angle Z are complements to each other. The difference between the measures of two angles of a complementary pair is 40 degree. Find the measures of two angles. Let the measure of smaller angle of the complementary pair be x degree. Then the measure of the greater complementary angle is x plus 40 degree. Now one is x degree, another is x plus 40 degree. Now add this and this x, therefore x plus 40 degree is equal to 90 degree. Why 90 degree? Because their sum, when the sum of the two angles is 90 degree, they are said to be complementary. Now here x plus x is 2x plus 40 is equal to 90. Now transpose this. 2x is equal to, this is 90, this is positive. When it will get transposed, it will become negative. That is 90 minus 40, you will get 50. Then this is in the form of a multiplication. Transpose this 2 to the another side, so it will become, so 50 upon 2. Then solve this. Therefore x is equal to 25. Cancel this. Therefore x plus 40. Now put the value of x in this. We will get 25 plus 40 is equal to 65. So one of the angle is this 25 and another is 65. Thus the measures of required angles are 25 degree and 65 degree respectively. Rectangle PT and M is a rectangle. Write the names of the pairs of supplementary angles. Now, in the given rectangle, each angle of the rectangle is of measure 90 degree. The sum of the measures of supplementary angles is 180 degree. Now, we will write the pairs of supplementary angles. Now, the pairs of supplementary angles are angle P and angle T. Now, if you add this angle P and angle T, 90 plus 90, 180 we will get. Similarly, we can write angle T and N, 90 plus 90, 180 degree. Angle N and angle M, then angle M and angle P, then angle P and angle N, then angle T and angle M. So these all are the pairs of supplementary angles. Means their sum is 180 degree. If measure of angle A is 70 degree, what is the measure of supplement of the complement of angle A? First we find the complement of angle A. Let the measure of complementary angle of 70 degree be x degree. Okay, one is 70, another we don't know. So we have taken x degree. Now 70 plus x is equal to 90 degree because their sum is 90 degree. Therefore, transpose this to the another side. We will get x is equal to, keep 90 as it is. This 70 will go transpose to this side, this will become negative 70. So the value of x, 90 minus 70 is equal to 20. Now we have to find the supplementary angle of 20 degree. Okay. Let the measure of supplementary angle of 20 degree be y degree. So therefore we can write 20 plus y is equal to 180. Why 180? Because when the two angles are said to be supplementary, when their sum is 180 degree. Now find the value of y. Y is equal to, transpose this 20 to another side. This is positive, this will become negative. So the value of y is equal to 160 degree. So therefore the measure of the required angle is 160 degree. Angle A and angle B are supplements of each other. If measure of angle B is equal to x plus 20 degree, then find measure of angle A. Let measure of angle A is y degree. The sum of the measure of supplementary angles is 180. This we know. Now what we have to do? As we know that measure of angle B is given x plus 20. Okay. Measure of angle A is y. So x plus 20 plus y is equal to 180. Now here we will keep the y this side, then transpose this x plus 20 to the another side. So plus x is there, this will become minus x, then minus 20. Then therefore y is equal to 180 minus y is equal to 160 minus x, that is measure of angle A is equal to 160 minus x degree.